Hello YouTube, and in today's video I am going to show you how to buy Robux with MOL points. First is to go to your local 7-Eleven or another place where it sells MOL points. Once you're at your local 7-Eleven, say to the cashier, I want to buy MOL points, insert amount here, and the cashier will give you a receipt that will look like this. Next, go to your browser and type in rxt.com. Once you are at RetroVision, log in or sign up and then press redeem. Since I already have an account, I will log in. I have logged in and I could not redeem my code because I have already redeemed it and bought Robux with it. To redeem, press redeem and put the PIN and terminal code in. To find the PIN and terminal code, here is a picture to find it. Since I have already redeemed my PIN, I can't do it twice. After you redeemed it, go to Roblox.com. I had to log in, so here is a very strange picture. After that, click on Robux. Click any amount. Press RetroVision. Press have a RetroVision account. After that, this will pop up, and then press the amount of Robux do you want. After that, this will pop up. Well, not this, it's a different layout. The layout will look like this, and you simply have to press complete transaction. After that, go back to Roblox and check your balance. Well, I guess that's all. I hope all of you got your Robux. Goodbye and see all of you in the next video.